If you've been having doubts over the past few days because of this bearish market that's kind of happening right now with not only HCMC but with a lot of other stocks, this is your video to reassure you that your investments are safe, and I want to let you know that wealth is going to be coming your way. Listen, a lot of people right now are kind of in a panic selling mode. You know, HCMC, as an example, has dropped over 50% this past week. And I know a lot of people have bought in around the 30 marks. Maybe you got lucky and bought in the 20 marks, or maybe you got really lucky and you're buying now in the teens. And I just want to let all of you know that given the time that we're in with this bearish market that we have, like I said, it's not only HCMC. Take a look at the charts here of the S&P 500. We're in a very, very red day, bleeding throughout the market here on March 4th. And like I said, it's just a matter of time before these stocks finally recover, HCMC being one of them. Now, we have a lot of catalysts coming up with things like the lawsuit that's pending. And, you know, this can be a positive catalyst, but it can also be something that draws out the stock from popping, meaning that, you know, if we don't hear any news on this big catalyst that we're all expecting, then it might have, you know, a little bit of a consolidation point between now and whenever that news comes out, whether it's a month from now, 3 months from now, 7 months from now, or maybe a year plus. We have no idea. And if anybody tells you any different, that the stock is going to be this price on this date, they absolutely have no idea. It's all fugazi. It's all fugazi.
It's all a fugazi. You know what a fugazi is?
Well, fugazi. It's fake.
Yeah, fugazi. It's a wazi. It's a woozy. It's a...
People have no idea. But if you want to be more in control of your actual asset portfolio, the amount of money that you're able to generate, I would highly, highly recommend maybe transitioning some of your profits from stocks into something like e-commerce, which is exactly what we do here on this DotCommerce platform, this DotCommerce YouTube channel rather. And before you swipe down, before you scroll away, I just want to say one thing. This is your video to let you know to hold and take those profits, and instead of investing them in something like a car or some other type of liability, maybe consider investing either a lot of it into reinvesting back into stocks, maybe some of it investing back into stocks, but either way, put some money aside to start a business, start your own business. The stock market in general is basically a place that you can invest into businesses, and if that business does well, your investment does well. If that business does bad, your investment does bad. So starting an e-commerce business is essentially the same thing. You're investing in a business. This time it's your own business, and you have full control whether that business does well or whether that business does bad. And you know, the principal cost for starting an e-commerce business nowadays, an online business, is very low. You know, you can start an online business with around $500 nowadays, and we all know that you're going to be making more than $500 with this HCMC investment. So when that day finally does come around, I hope to see a lot of you guys not blowing your money on Lambos and nice watches and you know, jewelry for your girlfriend or something like this. Take some money, set it aside, start an e-commerce business, and learn from the best here at DotCommerce. This is a new YouTube channel, and I'm going to be providing some insight into how I've done this over the past few years and how stocks, when they're profitable, complement e-commerce very well in a very cyclical, in a very cycle nature where you take profits, you invest it into your e-commerce business, you take the profits from your e-commerce business, and then you can either reinvest it into your e-commerce business or put it into stocks where they'll grow and the cycle continues. So if you like anything about what I'm saying in this video, if you learned anything and you got some positive vibes from this video, please feel free to click that link above this video, go to the actual YouTube page, click like, click subscribe, most importantly, because at 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be shaving my head. If we can get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be shaving my head completely. So we can make that happen. That would be incredible. And like I said, you're watching this video because you were meant to see this video. HCMC, hold on to your positions. You're going to be wealthy one day regardless. Take care, everybody.